Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
DWP and HMRC's major state pension payments review with back payments averaging £11,905. New statistics released by the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, show there are now 13 million people across the UK or living abroad receiving the state pension. There are two types of pension, the new state pension and the basic state pension. Around 4 million people are on the new state pension and nearly 9 million on the basic state pension. And while the majority of state pension payments are correct, tens of thousands are wrong. Read more millions see state pension shrink, as triple lock won't apply check if you lose latest. Payments are being checked by the DWP and HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC, for historical errors and potential back payments of up to £11,905, on average. Former DWP employee Sandra Wrench is urging all pensioners to check their annual uprating letter, due this month, and simplifies how those who started receiving their state pension before April 2016 can quickly spot a potential payment error and challenge it. Sandra told the Daily Record, "There has been a lot of coverage in the media about the underpayment of the state pension, but not a lot of information about how pensioners can check for themselves whether they are in receipt of the correct amount or not. Don't miss 3 in 4 state pensioners to get smaller increase in April, £110 less report. State pensioners must check important DWP letter, expert warns insight." Sandra said, "Having worked in DWP for 42 years, 18 years of which were spent on state pension, my advice to pensioners is to be proactive, and the following information may be of use in ascertaining whether you have been underpaid or not. The following information is for those people who reached state pension age before April 2016 and on the basic state pension. Married women and over 80s should be in receipt of at least the 60% basic state pension rate of £101.55. Any additional pension and graduated pension is paid in addition to this basic amount. Over 80s also get the 25p age addition, so £101.55 plus 25p, £101.80. The 25p age addition has been that amount for years. From April 2025, 100% basic state pension of £169.50 increases to £176.45 under the old scheme, and the 60% rate increases from £101.55 to £105.70 from April 2025. The over 80s get the additional age addition of 25p, which is not increasing. We use your sign-up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. Read our privacy policy. Sandra explained that if you discover your basic state pension is less than it should be, phone DWP on their change of circumstances, telephone number 800-730-1469. State you have been underpaid, and ask them to review your state pension. Sandra said, "One possible reason is that women who had their children prior to April 1978 had no protection for their state pension if they stayed at home to look after their children, as Home Responsibilities Protection, HRP, was not introduced until April 1978, and you got this protection until your child was 16. In April 2010, HRP was replaced by National Insurance, NI, credits for parents and carers, and you got these credits until the child was 12. The government, DWP, issued a statement in July 2023 that a lot of women who had children between 1978 and 2000 may not have had HRP added to their NI accounts, so consequently may have been underpaid their state pension. Prior to 2000, you did not have to put your national insurance number on the child benefit form when you claimed child benefit. HMRC are currently going through backdated records, but may not necessarily hold old records. Sandra suggests looking at your NI record to see if there are any non-qualifying years from 1978 when you may have had a children under the age of 16. If you have missing years, then put in a claim for HRP. If you do not have access to a computer, the telephone number for the NI helpline is 300-200-30-500. Sandra explained. If you get divorced after you have claimed your state pension, you need to notify DWP on 800-730-1469, as this is a change of circumstances. And if you have less than 100% basic state pension, it could be increased to 100% using your ex-husband's NI contributions. Any additional pension and graduated pension you have will be paid in addition to your basic state pension. DWP will not know that you are divorced unless you tell them. You will need to send in your decree absolute to DWP for confirmation of your date of divorce. She also explained that once your state pension has been awarded to you, it cannot be taken away. So if you were divorced when you came to claim your state pension and entitled to 100% basic state pension, then if you remarried a week later, you would still be entitled to the 100% basic state pension. Sandra also explained that bereavement support payment replaced widow's benefits in 2017, but you can only claim this if you are under state pension age. She said, you must claim within 3 months of your spouse civil partner's death to get the full rate of the benefit. You can claim up to 21 months after their death, but you will get fewer payments. The DWP number to call for people on the basic state pension is 800-151-2012. Cohabiting parents with dependent children can apply for bereavement benefits from February 9, 2023, when the law was changed.